Today I'll teach you how to delete your Facebook watch history. So let's say you watched some video on Facebook like Reels. Now, in the latest version of Facebook, it is not going to save your watch history. Unless you like a video, it is not going to be saved on your profile. So the only way you guys can delete your Facebook watch history is by updating your Facebook. Update your Facebook to the latest version and it is not going to save whatever video you watched on your Facebook. Now let's say it's like somehow it's saved. In that case, what you can do is click on menu, click on the setting icon at the top. From over here, you want to find activity log. If you don't find activity log over here, you can just click on the search icon at the top right, and over here search for activity log, but mine is being shown over here, activity log. I will click on it. From over here, you want to click on your activity across Facebook, and from over here you can see where it says reel, click on manage reel, and over here you can click on filter categories. You want to click on over here where it says all, and over here it should show like the videos which you watched, but as I said, it does not save your watch history, so nothing is being shown over here. So the best thing you can do is update your Facebook to the latest version and nothing will be saved. That is how we guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.